Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Hudayfa. I from Karawang. May Allah Subhanahu wa Taala give us all salvation and blessing. Thanks to Allah Subhanahu wa Taala because we are still given health for to be here. Do not forget salawat and greeting for our Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam who taught their people goodness. And inshallah, this morning, uh, today is day Saturday, and we will start the lesson with Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And I will discuss about the front end of developer, backend developer, and API. Okay, let's just get into the material. Okay, here there are three discussion in IT sequence that I will discuss, namely front-end developers and back-end developers and about API. My first discussion, uh, we will start with the front-end developer. Okay, front-end developer. Front-end developer, and we have there are three question here, and the first is what is a front-end developers, and second is what are the duties and responsibilities of a front-end developers, and the third the third is what skills should a front-end developer have? Okay, first discuss. I will discuss. I will discuss what is a front-end developer. Simply put, front-end developer is a job in the form of programming that manages and develops the appearance of an application or website. The things that are usually done by front-end developers are combining design techniques, technology, and programming to produce products and attractive, interactive website display and deal with debugging or problems that occur in their activities. Front-end developer will often work using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to develop website or web application, so user can see and interact with the product directly. And the second question, what are the duties and responsibilities of a front-end developer? Okay, it's number one, ensure the technical feasibility of the UI UX design. And number two, optimizing the speed of the website or application. And number three, implement website or app visual elements. And number four, using responsive design in the creation of a website or app user interface. And five, test the website or app for usability. And six, troubleshoot any code not working. And seven, improve the visual architect, architecture of your website or app. And eight, ensure that all the visibility of the website display before sending it to the back end team. And nine, let's collaborate with other team. Okay, next, the third question: what skills should a front end developer have? Front end developer have seven skills. Okay, is number one, mastering CSS and HTML. HTML and CSS are the main skills that must be mastered to become a front-end developer. This is because CSS cascading style sheet and HTML hypertext markup language are the cornerstone of web development. HTML is used to create the main sequence of a website, while CSS is used to adjust the appearance of the website, such as layout, colors, fonts, and page styles. And two, JavaScript. JavaScript is needed to make a website interactive. And three, framework and libraries. By using a framework, you can condense a long code line into a more concise one, while libraries are collections of pre-written code that other users can use to optimize tasks. And for CSS, preprocessor. And five, responsive design. And six, testing and debugging. And seven, version control. And next, for this goes our next topic. Next discuss, namely, is backend developer. There are three questions. Two. The first is, what is a backend developer? And second question, what are the duties and responsibilities of a backend developer? And third, what skills should a backend developer have? And now, what is a backend developer? Backend developer is job is a job in charge of developing, storing data, and communicating between website, database, or applications. In practice, backend developers use a wide variety of tools, programming language, and framework to get the job done. To do this, they use various types of programs ranging from Java, Net, PHP, Ruby, and Node.js, and Python. Okay, next question. Second question. What are the duties and responsibilities of a backend developer? Number one, manage and develop API. What is API? API, an application programming interface resource that work uh, across device. And number two, create a payment processing system that securely stores the required data. And three, always update web app safe and fast. And four, monitor server status. And five, app safe and fast. And four, monitor server status. And five, apply algorithm and solve problem related to server system or database. And six, develop TMS, stand up for content management system, TMS. And seven, support front-end development with clear communication and good documentation. And eight, store and manage data effectively. Okay, next for question. Third question. This is what skills should a backend developer have? Backend developer skills is number one, understand the backend programming language, and two, have knowledge about frameworks is Laravel, Vue.js, and more. Uh, have knowledge of API, and data structures and algorithm, database and cache, and let's get to know different types of servers. Okay, this is backend developer skills. Okay, on to the next topic. We have one more discussion, namely API. API, Application Program Interface. This stands for API. API stands for Application Program Interface and is a service that provides raw data for public use. Raw data for public use. The term now commonly refers to web URLs that can be accessed for raw data. APIs publish data for public use. This lesson walks through how to obtain data on the client side and then render it to the browser. How is an API used? Image, imagine you are sitting at a table in a restaurant with a menu of choices to order from. The kitchen is the part of the system that will prepare your order. What is missing is the critical link to communicate your order to the kitchen and deliver your food back to your table. That's where are the waiter or API comes in. The waiter is the messenger or API that takes your requests or orders and tells the kitchen is the system what to do. Then the waiter delivers the response back to you. In this case, it is the food. So the customer is a user and servants are API. Kitchen is a server and order is request from user and response from server. HTTP method from API. They have get and post, path, and delete. And each method has a different function. Method get. The get method uh, requests a representation of the specific resource. Request using get, sort, online, retrieve data. And second method post or post method. The post method submit an entity to the specific resource, often causing a change in state or side effect on the server. And next method put. The path method replace all current representation of the target resource with the request payload. And last delete method. The delete method uh, deletes the specific resource. Okay, so like that. On to the next topic. JSON. JSON stands for JavaScript Object Nation or nation yes nation, and has become a universal standard for serializing native data structures for transmission. It is like wake, easy to read and quick to parse. Okay, next, parsing JSON. JSON is the standard format to organize data for servers to send and retrieve data. It is so popular that JS has two methods to patch cake it for sending and retrieving. They have JSON stringify and JSON parse. What's the difference between the two? The JSON stringify method is used to convert a JavaScript object into a JS string or JSON string. The object can be an array or an object. This function is generally used in Ajax when data will be sent to another page for further processing. And while JSON parse method can take a function as a second argument, which can modify the value of the object before returning it. Here, the object values are converted to uppercase in the object returned from the parse method. Okay, I hope you can understand what I am saying. If you want to learn more, you can take online classes such as coding, decoding, skillful, and others. As long as you want to stay at home. Okay, that's all from me. Uh, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like this video. And see you later. See you next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.